In this video, we will show you how to measure your existing frameless cabinets so that you can easily order new doors from us. First, you need to draw a sketch of your kitchen to help keep track of the measurements. Download and print the handy PDF New Door Guide on our website to help you. Your drawing will show both the base and upper cabinets, using rectangles to represent all your door and drawer fronts. Start by measuring your base cabinet doors. Open the door and measure the width and height from the back of the door to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. It's important to measure from the back of the door, as the front of the door may have a beveled or routed edge that can throw off the measurement. Next, write down the measurements for door number 1 on the sketch of your kitchen. Remember to always write them down using the width by height format. Our pro tip is to use painter's tape to label the back of the first door you will measure as number 1 and add its measurement. Continue to label each door with the next number and corresponding measurement, measuring from the back each time. This will help you keep track of the doors on the order form and ensure that the doors are easily identifiable when you receive them. Now move to the drawer fronts. If you can, remove the drawer from the cabinet and measure from the back. If you cannot remove the drawer from the cabinet, measure the size from the top and side of the drawer front. Repeat the process until all your base drawer fronts are measured. Moving to the upper doors, measure these using the same process as the base cabinets until all the doors are measured. Note all measurements on your sketch like before. Now it's time to build your order using our online order form. Start with door number 1 and work your way through the options. The order form will build your pricing as you enter each door and measurement. Include any special instructions for each door in the notes field for that door. This brings us to an important note on hinge boring. When we make your new doors, we are going to drill holes for your new hinges at 3 3/4 inches on center. On center is the measurement from the top and bottom of the door to the center point of the top and bottom hinge cup. We don't want your new hinge plate to mount in exactly the same spot as your old hinge plate inside your cabinets. So if your current doors are also hinge drilled at 3 3/4 inches on center, please use the order form to let us know the on-center measurement you need. Additionally, if your kitchen has corner cabinets, you need to select the correct hinges depending on your corner cabinet style, either blind corner, lazy Susan, or 45-degree style. If you're unsure what type of corner cabinet you have, please see our FAQ page for descriptions or check the examples in our downloadable new guide. Once your order form is submitted, we will start making your doors based on your unique measurements and specifications. And that's it. Please get in touch if you need any support. Our staff are always happy to help.